Oh God. Now
Start. Go
problem
ahead.
with
Go
the
ahead.
make una no fit win trophy
Go
for
ahead. Go
this.
ahead. Go ahead.
Mr. P, this is your trophy. I bought this trophy for you. Take. Give your trophy for this season. You can lift it because you have never lifted a trophy for the past 4 years.
You
Thank you
don't
very
get
much,
mouth.
God.
You don't win trophy this season. Let's go talk
Thank
that
you.
way. Calm
Welcome
down.
to Ball 18. We are here once again. Glory, glory, Man United, and the Reds go marching on.
Let's all marching on.
I remain your one and only CTH Clifford Asemota, the FA Cup winner. I promise, show your face, Mr. P.
Oh, my bad.
Mr. P, show your face. Yeah, no, there's no bad. You're not bad. I remain the FA Cup winner. We have T-Gunners, the nearly, the almost winner,
But
and we
why is
have
Tayo
Mr. P,
clapping? You're not shameless.
the shameless Arsenal fan. What do you have to say about Arsenal's end of the season? Promise. I know you don't have no shame. Just speak your mind.
Arsenal of season, magnificent. I can't complain.
Magnificent.
We did a very good
Tayo,
job.
what? Answer that.
Disappointing. It's Man, you made it worse. Like right, it's for I was
What's
craving that
what
title.
Tayo? What's your business with Man U?
I was craving that title. Now I know the value of winning a title. Finishing second doesn't give me the pride.
You
It's,
didn't
it's
oyster
like
it.
it's like it's
The
like
only thing you can oyster is your water bottle.
I'm
You didn't
it's like
oyster it.
Arsene all again. It's like Arsene all again. Top
Oh
four
no,
was
no,
a
lie. I
title.
disagree. You're
Now
being
top two is a title.
no, Tayo. You're being shameless. Yeah, as Mota. This is and you know what, I'm happy that Man U finished eighth and won this FA Cup. Tayo, if you're being honest, even till the last season, what were they telling us as Ateta's what do you call it history is 8-8, one random FA Cup and fought and challenged for a trophy that they didn't win. Exactly what Man U did. This like in fact
You
it's
are a
almost like
shameless person.
you're also shameless.
This is Arsenal's best season.
No, the only
Arsenal's
shame.
best season in over 20 years.
So is it my
Arsenal
fault
best
that
season.
he
You
had a
have
worse
No, no, no,
season?
no, no,
That's the
no.
question
you
I'm
have
going to ask.
Exactly. You're saying best season.
Tayo, you're
So why
talking.
is it my fault?
Yes, I had
Didn't
a
we
Tayo,
worst
start the
my
same
worst
Tayo,
season.
you're using that squad.
My worst season. I lifted a
Which
trophy.
one season? We've
Your
done the
best
this
season.
worse
season. Just
season?
did
Your
now.
best
Is it my,
season.
my
Your
fault
best season.
No,
that he had a
Tayo,
Your
worse
best
season?
season.
disagree
Is
with
it
you.
my fault that you have a best season
This
without
Asmota
winning
is
a
very
trophy?
shameless. This
You
Very
is
made
just
noise
shameless.
that you hoist. First of all, you said you hoist FA Cup. Then you moved to you hoist Champions League. Then you moved to Premier League. The only thing you are hoisting now is your tears. You are in
let,
tears. You are
let,
in
And
the
even
state
with
of
the FA
plasma,
Cup,
plasma.
they will
no
sack your
Tayo, one
coach.
question.
Even see,
Let's ask you one question. Asmota,
even this your drawing on the wall. You are not able to hoist it. I have your
wait,
video.
Oh my god.
For you to lift a champagne
that's
in
not a
your own
trophy.
house, you
You didn't win
cannot. You
any
broke the
trophy.
bottle.
You didn't send
You didn't
trophy.
win any trophy. You didn't win any trophy.
What did you win?
Okay. Let's bring out to the podcast.
Oh,
Let's
let
bring
me
out to
ask
the
you a
podcast.
question. Let me ask you a question.
2000 and, 2000, 2000 and, no, let me finish. 2023 to 2024 season. Manchester City, what did they win?
Premiership.
I'm talking.
Premier League.
Premiership. Okay. Arsenal, what did they win?
Community Shield. Oh, it's not a trophy. How do you no, Tayo. Tayo,
Your
isn't
fellow
that
man
what they
is
used to
shameless.
open
Wait,
season? Isn't that what the open season?
let's finish.
Go ahead.
Liverpool, what did Liverpool win?
Carabao Cup.
Okay. Man U, what did Manchester United win?
FA Cup.
Okay. Chelsea, what did Chelsea win?
Nothing. So we lifted the four teams that
Spurs.
won trophies.
Spurs, what
Nothing.
did Spurs win?
Nothing. So what's my business with those
So,
teams?
as shameless as you are,
But
a two man charity shield is not even a
you
trophy.
can't
A
call it a
shield
trophy, but that's
is
what
what.
started the season. That's what started the season.
So you have a successful.
No,
defend this
Tayo,
Arsenal.
Tayo, Tayo. Let me ask this boy.
Because
So you have a success.
Let me ask something
So you
question.
have a
Let me
successful
ask something
season.
question. Two
No.
questions.
Let me done. Let me back
We've
down.
had a better
Let me be
season.
done. Let me be done. So you had a successful season, I promise.
Yes. Just Man City had a better season than us.
Wow.
What's the fuse? We've had a
Wow.
better season. Let me ask a
success
question.
Wow.
comes with trophies.
Let me ask a question.
We
Wow.
are not. We are not. We are not
Tayo,
West.
Tayo,
We are
Tayo,
not
hold
Fulham
on. Don't worry.
or
Let me ask you
Nottingham
a
Forest
question.
are
Let
celebrating
me ask.
surviving Premier
Okay,
League.
Tayo. Let me ask a question. You and Asmota.
Second is not a trophy.
No problems. Asmota, 2020, when Arsenal won FA Cup and we finished eighth, Man, you finished second. Be honest. At that point, who do you think? No, not now. Don't give me yourself now. That season, 2020.
Why are you going back to
I'm a
2020?
question because
Promise that is COVID era.
hold on,
Promise we
no,
are talking about now.
I'm telling
answered. You've
It's
not asked
not
that
football
question.
era.
If you answer that question, then
It's not football
you're
era.
shameless.
Okay, yes, Ateta won a trophy 5 years ago.
No. It's not about Ateta
Okay.
winning a trophy. It's not about winning a trophy because I want you guys to be.
Yes, Ateta.
No,
You
I
won
want
a trophy.
no. I will. It's not about that. I want to have an honest conversation.
2020,
When
2020, I
Arsenal
wasn't even
finished
second.
eighth,
Yeah,
20,
2021. Calm down.
no, exactly. When
2020, I
Arsenal
wasn't
finished,
second.
when Arsenal finished, I know you guys finished ahead of Arsenal. Whatever you finished third or fourth. When Arsenal
I finished
eighth,
I
fine.
finished sixth.
But we finished eighth. I remember clearly that season. All my fans were, if they were tweeting it, all my fans tweeting like Arsenal finished eighth, but they were nonsense and we won the trophy. You guys did not recognize the FA Cup.
Arsenal won
In fact,
FA Cup, right?
Tayo, they even said they went as far as saying that the
you
FA
have-
Cup win was Emery's team, right? So my point is, Asimota.
Yes, it's actually it's not Emery's team.
But who won the
Arteta has built.
You forgot
Arteta
that
has built
run
for how many years?
Chelsea
How many
and
years?
then beat City.
How many years has your Arteta built his team? What does he have to show for it?
An FA Cup and 2 competition
No,
shields.
stop Carlo. The FA Cup that he won. Tell me the person that is still in the team.
Is he not under his tenure? Is a question. Is that
Tell
under
me.
his tenure?
Stop stammering, bro. Stop stammering.
He's not stammering.
Stop. Wait.
Tayo,
I asked you a question.
Let me ask you a question.
Wait.
No,
I asked you. Just answer. I asked you a question.
No, you're interrupting.
I asked
I'm
you a
answering.
question. No, I asked you a question.
Okay.
You asked me a question, right? And I've answered you. I asked you a question. Arteta took over when? That season?
Mid-season.
Mid-season. That's in January, right?
Yeah.
That means all the players. Yes, that means all the players he had were from the previous manager.
Yes.
Was from the previous manager, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now Arteta has reformed the team. He has chased everybody out. He wanted to chase. He has rebuilt the team. This is his 5th year. How many trophies do you have to show for it?
1 FA Cup and 2 Community Shield. What are we talking about?
Sorry?
1 FA Cup and 2 Community Shield.
Oh, so Community Shield is not a trophy.
Why won't they count it? When they are wait,
Tayo, wait.
Let me ask you a question.
Let me ask you. Wait now. Tayo is
no,
is
you ask me. I have to respond.
Tayo, community. Wait. Now I'm done. Let me ask Tayo.
No.
Tayo, is Community Shield a trophy?
No. That's not the question. When they are counting
you
Man
have
U trophies,
I've asked you a trophy.
No, when they are counting Man U trophies and Liverpool trophies, don't you guys?
They don't count Community Shield.
It's a lie.
No.
Tayo, go please.
Major. It's called major trophies. It's called major trophies. Major trophies. Liverpool has 66. Man U has 66.
No, you used
67 now. Both are 67.
Man U used to count Liverpool. In fact, I remember very well when Liverpool won their trophy. They counted that part of the trophy that they're now on top of Man U. See, my point is, if you actually.
But why are you changing your mouth?
No,
before this season, you said you win the Premier League, and now you're fighting for Community Shield. Community and Champions League. You say your babies will win Premier League and Champions League. Now you're fighting for
Okay,
yes. The next season, what was
it's still not the squad that is still there. It's still
the next season. What was
still there.
Okay. After that is the squad now. What has he won?
4 years now.
Just one team competition.
Tayo is asking.
Don't annoy me.
There was a competition.
Don't piss me off.
This is the best me before.
Don't make that statement. Community Shield is not. Don't piss me off. I don't the best since, and that statement is annoying me.
Wait.
Community Shield is what? Charity cup.
Tayo, you know say you be Madrid fan.
You go again next year. That's what you will tell me now.
Baba, your bitterness is I think that they've not won Premiership. Don't even come and bring a FA Cup because if it's FA Cup, we've won it.
My bitterness is that has not smelled even the small trophy. Carabao Cup, FA Cup, he has not won.
Even if they won it, even Carabao Cup.
The last one I won was in an empty stadium. Can you win a trophy?
You're not really Baba, the first thing you said here now is 20 years.
I don't tell level, I beg.
20 years, no Premiership.
It's time for him to go.
That's not the first thing he said. He said that's not the first thing. He said there's no trophy. He said 4 years, no trophy. That's the first thing he said.
I did not say 20 years. I said 4 years.
He said 4 years, no trophy. That's the first thing he said. Why are you lying like this now?
Who really lying? For 5 years and win just one.
Why are you lying?
Who did you beat in the
Why are you lying?
Even the great of the club.
What are you saying?
We beat Chelsea. Don't win Premier League, win Champions.
Baba, we don't beat Leeds or what do they call it? What's that people Man U beat by chance? What's those guys they beat? Remind me, Asimota. FA Cup semi-finals. What do you guys beat?
Who knocked you out of the FA Cup?
BC City. Baba will beat Chelsea. Because my thing is that you're not recognizing Arsenal's FA Cup win. That's what's annoying me. You're not recognizing. You're saying you win.
I can never accept any FA Cup that they won in empty stadium.
That's it.
That everybody was shouting. Play. Is that the final?
So that means Liverpool not win EPL now.
Liverpool were 20 points ahead.
Yeah,
before
COVID. What? How does points
matter? You cannot tell me that Liverpool cannot compare Liverpool.
That's a cup final Premiership now. So
Liverpool were trusting everybody.
So Liverpool EPL was not won now. That's what it is. Because it was
Liverpool,
empty stadium.
they won the EPL.
Oh, please, Tayo, you're being disingenuous.
Before COVID hit.
You're being disingenuous because Ateta. Because if you don't recognize Ateta's FA Cup, please don't tell me
Promise,
about Man U's FA Cup.
tell me what will happen again. What will happen again?
It means no.
You tell me what will happen next
season. You're not having an honest conversation. If you don't
Promise, if you can tell me what will happen again next
if
season,
you don't want to have, there's no point discussing this because you don't even trust the manager.
I don't trust him. I want him out.
Focus on Eric Ten Hag that is doing excellent job.
I want him out. Fine, yeah. Eric Ten Hag comes into Arsenal team. The possibility would have won the Premier League.
Let me ask you a question. If Ateta finished 8 and won FA Cup, would you be happy?
I will take it. I will be 100% happy. I will be 100% happy. Yes, I will take it.
You're a liar. And you're not happy.
That is better than none.
It's a lie.
Second and 8, what's the difference? 8 second, we don't believe that
we can easily, to know how Arsenal fans are very flake. You can easily pull YouTube video and check 2020 record. All of them, the highest, they abuse this guy. They didn't even get a chance for this season. They say he must go. They say thank you for the trouble. I'll be going. Exactly what Eric Ten Hag is facing right now.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Nobody said that Ateta must go in his first season. Stop lying. You're always lying. You're always lying. You're always lying.
No.
Somebody that just came in mid-season, they were not telling that Ateta must go. Congratulations on your trophy, on your second trophy. Congratulations on your almost.
No, if you're not recognizing Ateta's FA Cup win, there's no point having
promise. Congratulations on your almost and your goal difference.
All I'm hearing is I will take it. I'll take it. If Ateta finish 8th and get FA Cup,
why you Ateta is in Arsenal for 5 years? What are you saying?
It doesn't matter.
Ateta don't buy. It doesn't matter.
I won in the first season. You won FA Cup in the first season. That's even mad. Think about it.
He didn't win FA Cup. He didn't win FA Cup in his first season. In his full season, he hasn't won anything. He has always been telling people next year.
You discard his half season as he wasn't a manager.
There's no. You are delusional and you are fake. It just showed that. You said
your manager is a failure because if your manager did not finish 8th, then we would say succeeded. If you 8 and 1
according to Ateta standard, the manager is a failure.
Yes, the manager is a failure. If you 8,
my manager is a failure.
Yeah.
My manager won. Listen, stop shouting. You have talked. Let other people talk. Let's hear other people. Ateta has been in Arsenal for 5 seasons. Just answer the question. How do your manager go from top to 8? And you say the good season. Ateta has been in Arsenal in how many seasons now? Just answer the questions.
What's about the season? You regret.
There's no need. My guys.
From last season.
The United fans, thank you guys for supporting us through the day. I told you guys that I always remain CTH. I wasn't going to leave him. I was backing him. I'll back him to the very end.
You're backing him, but your club is not backing.
Like he said, if you don't want me, I'll go somewhere else and I'll win trophy. That's what I always do. You always win trophy. He would always buy for the painful Arsenal fan who almost won the Premier League. Congratulations on your trophy. Congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Recognize Arsenal 2020. I won't even take you serious.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.